How to sign out of Google account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign out of Google account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to sign out of Google account, what you want to do is first you want to go ahead and open up your settings on your phone. So I'll just open up settings. Once you're on the settings, you want to scroll down below and you shall find the option here that says accounts and backups. So remember, you don't want to head into Google account, instead the account and backup option. Once you're at the very top, you can see manage accounts option. Simply tap on manage accounts, and once on manage accounts, here you'll get the list of accounts that you have logged in on your device. Simply tap on the Google account that you wish to log out from your device. Then you can see the remove account option. Tap on remove account and it'll get removed and logged out as well. So this is how you can sign out of Google account. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.